A pruner is an essential gardening tool designed to trim and shape plants, shrubs, and trees. Typically featuring sharp, scissor-like blades, pruners make clean cuts that promote healthy plant growth and reduce the risk of disease. There are various types of pruners, including bypass pruners, which have a curved blade that slides past a broader, flat blade, and anvil pruners, which feature a straight blade that cuts against a flat surface. The ergonomic design of many modern pruners ensures comfort and ease of use, even during extended periods of gardening. In addition to their primary function of trimming plants, pruners play a crucial role in maintaining the overall health and aesthetics of a garden. Regular pruning helps remove dead or damaged branches, encourages new growth, and can improve the yield of fruit-bearing plants. Gardeners must select the appropriate type of pruner for their specific needs and ensure they keep the blades sharp and clean to maximize efficiency and reduce the risk of transmitting plant diseases. With proper use and maintenance, pruners can significantly enhance the vitality and appearance of any garden.